Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you make someone an admin on Instagram group. To make someone an admin on Instagram group, you need to follow these steps. So here comes the steps. First thing, log into your Instagram application and open up your page. This is how the interface will look. Next, what you need is tap on the menu bar or the DMs icon and open up the group chat that you've created. So what you have to do is to open up the group chat that you've created, you have to be the admin as well so that you could transfer the admin to another person. Now click on the info of the group chat, right? So here you could see people. So now what I'm going to do is I'm the admin, right? So I'm just going to click on the admin button. I can just tap on the three dot icon over here and then I can go ahead and click on make admin. So this is the way you could make someone an admin in Instagram group. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.